As the world marks the Immunization Week, UNICEF stresses the
Immunization
importance of
of children against
vaccinations
vaccine
against
preventable
vaccine
diseases can
preventable
almost
In many rural areas in the Philippines, families struggle to access basic healthcare. As of late 2022, the Philippines ranked fifth globally in the number of zero-dose children unimmunized, with nearly 1 million children missing routine vaccines. So this figure doubled since 2020 due to pandemic disruptions and long-standing rural challenges. So today, we stand together to say health is a right, not a privilege.
Imagine walking hours just to see a doctor, or not having medicine when your child is sick. This is the reality for many rural communities. We need to spread awareness through community engagement, addressing misinformation, and turning to local trusted leaders as a crucial step for increasing acceptance. All these should be an effort for the public to understand the urgency of accessible medical services.
We can all help. Join medical missions, volunteer in health education programs, and support local clinics. By working together, we can build a strong network of advocates who bring healthcare closer to every barangay.
We must push for stronger policies. Research shows that rural areas have fewer doctors and nurses per population. By presenting evidence to lawmakers, we can advocate for better funding, more health workers, and improved facilities in underserved communities.
This is not just a local issue, it's a national responsibility. In addition to introducing broader policy measures, our efforts all throughout the nation must ensure efficient vaccine procurement and administration, including efforts for school-based immunization programs. By advocating for clear laws and institutional support, we can ensure that every Filipino, no matter where they live, has access to quality healthcare. Let's raise our voices, take action, and make rural health access a priority.
Hindi ko siya na kasi pandemic yun eh. Ngayon hindi ko siya napunta sa center. Lalo pag walang pera, walang pambiling gamot, mahirap talaga. Hindi mo maisip kung saan ka kukuha.
This is what the Philippine Health Department calls catch-up vaccination, where all the vaccines that a child must...
Limang bundok. Papunta doon.
Bundok?
Paano niyo po ginagawa yun, Nay? Nagtityaga para matupad laang ang tungkulin ko sa aking gawain.